Looking for a powerful solution to export emails from Thunderbird to EML format? If yes, download the Recovery Tools software designed with special features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Click on Next button to start the process. With the help of this tool, you can convert emails, contact and calendar separately. Select Convert Email option to convert emails and contact folder. Select Contact and Calendars option to convert contact and calendars separately. We are choosing Convert Emails option to backup Thunderbird data. Select Configured Thunderbird Mailboxes data to backup Thunderbird mailbox data. Select Thunderbird mailbox data manually. Choose Folder option to browse Thunderbird folder from System and then tap on Select Folder button. Choose Select File option to browse Thunderbird file from your system. We are selecting Convert Configured Thunderbird Mailboxes data. Click on Next button to continue the process. Select Folders for conversion process. Click on Next button to continue the process. Go to Saving option list. Select EML saving option from the list. Click on the folder-like icon and choose the destination path of converted files. Choose File Naming option from the list. After that, click on the Next tab. After the process gets completed, the software provides a completion message. Click on OK button. The trial edition of the toolkit backup and restore first 25 email messages. Software opened the resultant folder automatically. Click on it and get emails converted into EML format.